Lindy from Lucky Lindy's Liquor and Libations coming at you from my bar. So my sister-in-law Lynn asked me to make a Cosmo. And I said, well, what Cosmo would you like? And she said, well, I don't know. What do you got? So I said, well, how about if we make a Blueberry Cosmo? And she said she was looking forward to that. So we're going to make a Blueberry Cosmo for Lynn, and I am always open to any suggestions and would be very happy to make any cocktail for any of you. And there is going to be one that I'm going to make on Saturday for a friend in Texas. So if you have anything you want me to make, just go ahead and clickety-clack that down in the comments. Like, subscribe, and please share my videos with people because I don't know, it's fun and I enjoy doing this. So it would be fun if more people were watching and if they gave me ideas of what to make. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to make a Blueberry Cosmo. What you're going to need a shaker, ice, a jigger. You always need a jigger. That's our measuring. This is how we measure in the bar world, okay? So this is 1 ounce, and this here is a 1/4 of an ounce. So that's what this particular jigger measures. They come in all sorts of different sizes and shapes, and so if you have this one, that's what I'm using. You're going to need Grey Goose or the vodka of your choice. You're going to need either Cointreau or triple sec. So this is really the only difference in this Cosmo from a regular Cosmo is this is blueberry juice. I was thinking that blueberry cranberry juice would be really kind of fun, but this one is blueberry juice, and if you happen to have a blueberry cranberry juice, it's gonna work out really well for you in this particular recipe. Then we are going to use some fresh squeezed lime juice. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, and by the way, I have blueberries that I took out of the freezer for garnish, and they are so good. I don't know if any of you have ever just frozen your blueberries, but you freeze them, you take them out, and you eat them, and it's like having a little treat. It's kind of like ice cream, only not so fattening or bad for you. Okay, so we're going to start with putting ice in our shaker. Then we're going to take our jigger and we are going to take the 1 ounce size and we are going to fill that with vodka. And then we're going to give a healthy overpour, okay? So we probably poured in another 1/2 ounce. All right. Then we're going to take our Cointreau and we're going to use the small side of our jigger, which I just mentioned to you that it's a 1/4 of an ounce. And then we're going to also give that an overpour because, well, we just want to. All right, then we're going to take our blueberry juice and we're going to put in 1 ounce of that. So we're going to actually fill our jigger all the way up, and we're going to put in just a little bit more because blueberry juice is really good. I don't know if y'all have had it, but it is really good. Then we're going to take our lime juice and we're going to actually measure that out as a 1/4 ounce. That's all we want in there, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to put on our cover and we are going to shake it. And then we're going to take our cover off. And we're going to put on our strainer and we're going to strain it into our glass. And there you have it. A blueberry cosmopolitan. And we're going to put our pretty garnish in our glass. And I'm going to bring it up so you can see it. Cheers. Ooh, you guys are going to like that. That's delicious. I don't know. If you like a regular Cosmo, you're going to love this. I hope you enjoy it, Lynn. Now, I have one other thing I want you to know. I'm always telling you guys to use your pretty things. So on the end of this video, I'm going to show you a before and after of my dining room. I set up a permanent bar in there now. I moved my table. You wouldn't believe the difference it made. So, I mean, that's another thing. Move your pretty things around. I mean, we're snowbound here in Tennessee, and so we're, you know, in the house. But you don't have to go stir crazy. Move your furniture. Use your pretty things. Bye. Love you. Cheers. Try it, Lynn.